have any clue.
Oh, that too 75 years after.
We don't have any idea.
So now I'll say about the Constitution of India, fundamental rights in it.
Papa.
Yes?
I'm very excited. Our school is taking trip to Nainital.
No, you are not going anywhere. Just go and study.
Papa, please.
No.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, my friends are going to Goa. Shall I also go?
Okay, go.
Thank you, Papa.
Papa,
What is this? It is not fair. You allowed him to go even he is younger than me, but you did not allow me.
He is a boy. He can go anywhere. You are a girl. I can't send you.
Why? Why don't I have right to go anywhere?
Right to freedom. Our Constitution has guaranteed this right for all of the citizens of the country. So no one can take this right from us.
if you don't know how to walk, then why are you on the road? I know walking, but I can't see. If you can't see, then stay at home. Being a blind one, can't walk on the road.
Right to equality. Our Constitution has guaranteed this right to all of the citizens of the country. So must treat everyone equally.
Papa.
Yes, daughter?
I'm very happy. Our college results has been released. I have passed. I want to study further.
No, go inside and do household chores.
Why? Don't I have right to education?
Right to education. Our Constitution has guaranteed this right for all of the citizens of the country. We must be educated until 14 years. It's must and should. So no one can take our right from us.
Hey, stop. You have broken the traffic rules. What did I do? You didn't wear your face mask and helmet. Everyone must follow this. Do you know? My father is a minister. He can transfer you at anywhere and anytime.
Everyone must follow the rules. Rules are rules. Constitutional remedies. The rules are equal for everyone, even it's rich or poor. So no one should violate the rules.
Daughter-in-law?
Yes?
Bring tea for us.
Please wait as I am doing cleaning work.
No, I want it right now.
Hey, can't you see my parents are asking for a tea? If you won't obey them, I'll beat you. If you behave badly with me, I will complain police.
This is wrong. She is right. Right against exploitation. There is protection against domestic violence in law. So she can punish you all by saying to police.
What are you doing in this mosque? I am chanting prayer.
No, you are not alone here. Go somewhere else.
What are you doing in this temple? I'm offering namaz here.
No, you are not allowed to do this here. Go somewhere else.
Why? Why can't I offer namaz here? Our constitution grants a right to religion and prayer.
Right to religion. Our Constitution has guaranteed this right for all of the citizens of the country to profess or practice any of the religion or not to. Our country is a secular state. Indian Constitution.
Right to freedom.
Right to equality.
Right to education.
Right to constitutional remedies.
Right against exploitation.
Right to freedom of religion.
So these are the rights written in the Constitution. Fundamental rights.